Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel When You Sweet Home. Today I am going to review Realme Buds Air 3 Neo. Hello everyone, these are the new Realme Buds Air 3 Neo, which also comes with Dolby Atmos support. These earbuds come with 30 hours of battery backup, 7 hours each, and you can recharge it with the case up to 5 times. And also these comes with an 88 ms of low latency for gamers, so that you can have a smooth gaming, and also it has 10 of boosting drivers, which will be the best for the bass lovers. These comes with 30 hours of battery backup, and these have 10 dynamic bass driver, and also comes with AI ENC noise cancellation for calls. These also have a quick charge manual, with 10 minutes of charge will give you up to 2 hours of battery backup. And for gamers it also gives 88 ms of super low latency for gaming, and also it has super fast connectivity with Bluetooth 5.2. Thank you.